What's up, everybody? How's it going? It is going okay for me. To be honest, it's a little hot. I'm recording from the DFW area in Texas, and it is like 110 degrees outside with a heat index of 312 degrees. I can't even adult. I can't do anything. It's too hot. So there's only one thing to do when I'm that hot. Either let my ego go crazy with how hot I am or record a video. So I decided to record a video. I hope you don't mind. So my video today is going to be about Laragon, and you might be asking what Laragon is. Well, I kind of asked myself that same question. I am no Laragonologist. I'm not an expert. It's just a tool that I found and I downloaded it and I really like it. There are many different ways you can use it. So I mainly use it for my WordPress development. I will download different themes, test them out in this environment. It's a local server. And then when I get it styled and kind of laid out how I like it, the website, then I will upload those files to an actual live WordPress website. So it's a good way to develop a site, create and build a site without it affecting the live version. So with that being said, let's get right into it. I am obviously using Windows, and I'm going to download the Laragon WAMP, and that's Windows, Apache, MySQL, and PHP. And the cool thing about Laragon is you can use PHP. I think you can use, it's like Python over here, PHP, Ruby's on Rails. No, just Ruby on Rails. Node, Python, Java, Golang. It's pretty cool. It's just a universal development environment. So here I am downloading it. Your download will start shortly. I don't know what their definition of shortly is. Hello. So I will download this and I will get back with you guys. Please hold. Okay, and we're back. So it's been about 3 hours. No, I'm just kidding. It was like 2 minutes. Not even that. So we've got it downloaded. Well, it's getting started. So I will be back again because it's going to take like 20 minutes to download. So BRBs. Alright, that wasn't that bad. It finished downloading, so let's go ahead and click on it to launch it. And it's launching. Yes. And this is just a straightforward install wizard. Click next. So Laragon runs extremely fast, so we'll leave that checked. Pretty URL, sure, why not? Quick ways to open text editor command prompt, sure. And next. And install. So as you can see, pretty straightforward. So I'm working on putting out more videos more frequently. For those of you that don't know, I am a father, a daddy-o to a little girl. She's 13 months, so she's been keeping me pretty busy. Work keeps me pretty busy, so I try to find more time to make videos. It's pretty adventurous being a dad. If you're not a dad, buckle up, because it's pretty exciting. I consider myself the Indiana Jones of diaper adventures. There's always something to find in there, and it's always dangerous. So here we go. We got it finished. Run Laragon. Let's check this baby out. So here we are. We are met with this pretty awesome styled layout here. Just kidding. So what do? This is our admin panel, our control panel, if you will. And this is where we run our services. We'll go ahead and click Start All, and this runs our web server as well as the database. So let's go ahead and click it. And you can see, go past our firewall. Yeah, that's fine. Apache is the web server. It's started. And for MySQL. And you should only have to do that once, or you might just run it as an administrator. So now it is running. So you can right click anywhere on the control panel and it pulls up this little side menu here. I go to www, or no, just kidding, Quick App, and I click WordPress. And the project name, this will just be like test website. Hit enter. It's going to download it. Doesn't take too long. Okay, and as you can see, we have a pretty URL. This is our website, testwebsite.test. visit site. We can click that and it goes to that URL. So this just says before we get started with the actual website, we need to go through and create a database name, username, password, and tie it to our host. So let's go. Our database name, let's come back here to Laragon. Under database, go ahead and click database, come over here, Laragon, we can open it. We have a username of root and no password, and the host name is localhost. So that's going to be our login credentials here. Let's go ahead and open it. Keeps opening in my other screen. And we've got our test website. This is our database tied to the test website we just created. So it's test-website. We can go ahead and do that, minimize that. And database name was test website. Username was root, and there was no password, and localhost. Table prefix, we can leave it with WP, submit, and they call me Sparky. Alrighty, Sparky, you've made it through this part of the installation. You are a genius and handsome. So let's run the installation. There we go. Site title, we'll call this test site as well. Admin and hide. Bam, strong password. That's fine, y'all can have my email address. And discourage search engines from indexing this site. We don't need to do this because it's a local installation, so we'll just leave it unchecked. Install WordPress. Success. And if you're using Chrome, you can choose to save your password, and then we can just log in. It's going to take us to the site, our test website.test/wp-login. There we go. I can do remember me. I can log in. Here we are, WordPress. By default, we're going to have the 2017 theme. So we have just installed WordPress on a local host. It is a full WordPress environment. We can install other themes. We can install plugins. We can build entire websites. It's all on your local host, so they're not live to the internet, but it's an awesome testing environment. So right now we have this 2017. If we come up here and hover over this and click visit site, here is our site title, and we have a website. So that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed it. I will be coming out with more WordPress videos. If that is something that appeals to you guys, feel free to let me know in the comments. I'm going to go through basic setup, domain names, name servers, web hosting, all that kind of stuff. What I recommend, what has worked for me. Hopefully it will clear some things up for you guys. It's going to be geared towards beginners, so if you're more advanced, you're more than welcome to come hang out. But if you're like me and you were just starting off and confused about where to click and where to go and not even knowing what to search for, hopefully the videos I'm going to be releasing here shortly will help with all of that. Thank you so much for coming to hang out today. I really appreciate your sport. I mean, if you're a sport, that's cool. Thank you so much for coming and hang out today. Until next time, ciao Bella.
Press start.